The evolution of artificial intelligence has moved rapidly from the concept of a single, omniscient chatbot to something far more powerful: multi-agent systems. To understand this shift, imagine a traditional business. You wouldn't hire one person to be your CEO, lead researcher, senior copywriter, and QA tester at the exact same time. Even the most talented individual would quickly become overwhelmed, lose focus, and make mistakes under that cognitive load. Large language models operate in the exact same way. When you give a single AI model a massive, multi-step prompt, its context window becomes heavily cluttered, its attention mechanism degrades, and it begins to hallucinate or skip instructions. Multi-agent systems solve this fundamental limitation by breaking complex, overarching workflows down into specialized, independent AI entities that collaborate to achieve a shared objective. Today, we are examining the two leading frameworks that make this complex orchestration possible: CrewAI and LangGraph. While both allow you to build sophisticated teams of AI agents, their underlying architectures and development philosophies are fundamentally different. Let us start with CrewAI. CrewAI is designed directly around the familiar metaphor of a human workforce. It is incredibly intuitive because it mimics how human corporate teams already operate. In CrewAI, you define three core architectural components: agents, tasks, and crews. An agent is given a specific role, a detailed backstory to guide its persona, and a set of external tools. For example, you might create a senior data analyst agent whose only permitted job is to query SQL databases and run Python scripts, alongside a technical writer agent to synthesize that extracted data into a readable report. You then define tasks, which are clear, objective-driven assignments with expected output formats. Finally, you combine these specialized agents and their designated tasks into a unified crew. The beauty of CrewAI lies in its automated process management. By default, it operates sequentially. The output of the analyst's task automatically and seamlessly becomes the input for the writer's task. CrewAI also natively supports hierarchical processes where you can introduce a manager agent. This manager doesn't do the ground-level execution. Instead, it delegates tasks, reviews the output of the subordinate agents, and sends work back for revision if it fails to meet the required quality standard. For developers and businesses looking to rapidly deploy AI teams with minimal boilerplate code, CrewAI is an exceptional choice. It abstracts away the complex routing logic entirely. However, as your automated workflows become more intricate, you may hit the ceiling of CrewAI's highly structured, opinionated approach. This is where LangGraph enters the picture. LangGraph, built directly on top of the LangChain ecosystem, discards the human team metaphor in favor of rigorous computer science principles. Specifically, it treats multi-agent orchestration as a highly controllable state machine represented by a cyclic graph. In LangGraph, there are no inherent managers or subordinates unless you explicitly code those relationships from scratch. Instead, you build your system using nodes, edges, and a shared state. Nodes are the Python functions or individual LLM calls that execute the actual work. Edges are the conditional routing rules that mathematically determine where the workflow travels next. The state is the shared memory, a continually updating data structure, often a typed dictionary that is passed from node to node. Why is this graph-based approach so powerful? Because it natively supports cyclical workflows and infinite loops, which are critical for true autonomous agentic behavior. Imagine you have a researcher node and a reviewer node. In LangGraph, the reviewer can check the retrieved research, realize it is mathematically incomplete or factually inaccurate, and route the workflow completely back to the researcher via a conditional edge. This loop can continue until a specific programmed condition in the shared state is perfectly met. Furthermore, LangGraph gives you absolute deterministic control over the flow of information. You can pause the execution of the graph at any specific node, require a human operator to approve the action, often called human in the loop, and then seamlessly resume the execution. This granular control is essential for enterprise-grade applications. When deciding between the two, the choice fundamentally comes down to the trade-off between simplicity and control. CrewAI is your out-of-the-box project management software. It allows you to spin up a functional AI workforce in minutes perfectly suited for sequential processing. LangGraph is a blank canvas requiring deeper state management, but offers infinite scalability and non-linear dynamic logic. Thank you for listening.